for now. Hopefully it doesn't get slippery.
Yeah. You should have a good shoe. Right.
Yeah. I'm just taking it slow. Don't want to slide.
Bangladesh, like in January.
You need to get a hat for the next trips. Yeah, sometimes where we go is either too hot. Usually it's just too hot. We don't go out when it's raining. Oh, that's weird. Check that out. Some sort of a nest, maybe? Never seen it before. We're getting too far apart.
Saw him, right?
Is it a bobcat?
It's a bobcat, but it's a
Or
big
dead
one.
Cat?
A
A
big
dead
one.
cat.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
just
sometimes there's mushrooms because of the moisture.
yeah.
Where do you see it?
Is this the,
Oh,
the
those.
red one?
Yeah,
Oh, there's a red one here. Usually you see them in northern New Mexico.
Up
They have
around Cuba, have a lot of
They have
mushrooms.
those huge ones, and they have purple dots and orange dots. Don't touch them; they're
just
poison.
touch
Yeah.
Well, these things you have to know, like people that know them, poisonous and would kill you. Trip with the UNM Recreation Department years ago. This lady, she knew the outdoors, and we'd sign up, and she drove the van with UNM. And we went up there looking for mushrooms because she brought with her oil, a pan,
Squeeze.
and we were going to eat them. She was going to cook them up.
Yeah.
And it had been a very dry summer. There were no mushrooms.
Oh.
But she would know, and she would say, "No, don't touch it." Yeah, I don't know.
If only there's a alcohol pie, you can just
Wipe your hand.
Oh, because I touched it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well,
I'm not sure that it works like that. I think you have to eat the mushroom.
Yeah.
But you never know, right?
Yeah.
I washed my finger off.
He already, the last time we went on a hike, he touched the water, and it was sulfur. I said, "Oops, I'm gonna cut that out from the video."
You know, he's like, "Don't touch it." So I touched it. And it was because it wasn't hot.
Yeah.
Up higher, how does this open? Up higher, it was boiling, coming out of the ground, the geothermal in the humus, and it would burn your finger. The sulfur, you found out, it's not sulfur, it's not acidic.
It's not acidic,
So touching it when it's cold wasn't bad.
but if you fall in the pool
Yeah, oh, yeah.
then you're dead because
You're
you
dead.
because you can't breathe.
Breathe.
So there.
It's the sulfur it will stop your breathing.
Thanks, I'm safe now.
Yeah,
So do you think we should turn around or what? Now it's not raining.
I know.
You can see it's
Look,
getting,
the sun. Well,
it's
maybe
getting brighter. The sun is coming. We're close. We're
I'm
a third
already
of the
wet.
mile-
So
We're a third of the mile to the tram.
a third.
Yeah, we've already gone 0.6.
So we haven't gone that much.
No, we haven't gone far. It comes out on the road, and then you can see the tram.
Oh. I don't know. You guys
I
decide.
think it's the rain, it's the breeze.
The wind blows
Yeah.
it.
Yeah,
It comes off the leaves.
yeah.
I don't know. Let's go a little farther. But
Yeah.
unless you guys say I don't want to go, you have to tell us. Because we're crazy. We just go do stuff that we shouldn't probably do.
We've gone.
Just like you
Put
told the
fingers
Muslim.
in this, in the
On the
boiling
sulfur.
water. Oh, I burned my finger.
We've gone hiking when it's raining,
Mm-hmm.
and we got stuck one time. I mean, like everything turns into clay. So when we made a step, the shoe would come off. Remember that up there in San Isidro?
Victor was with us. It rained so hard.
Yeah.
And we were out there. So we were
Yeah.
already 2 miles from the
George
car,
fell
and it starts
down
pouring.
on the mud. I fell down.
We had our jackets, but they get soaked. Because
Yeah.
there's nothing you can do.
Yeah.
Back in
Wow.
Bangladesh, when I plan to do a trek, we do it in the rainy season because in the rainy season it's muddy,
Yeah.
but it's too green.
If there's
Yeah.
So if you want to see the green, you have to crawl down the mud to
Yeah.
see it.
I think it's beginning to clear. Look.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah,
The
it's
clouds is
beginning to
thin.
clear.
Also, some mushrooms you've heard are hallucinogenic.
Yeah.
And you take them if you know which ones, and then you hallucinate for like 8 hours. Like tripping, you know.
Magic mushroom.
Magic mushroom.
Yeah.
It's a wire.
What is that?
Yeah.
It's a wire, so I don't know. It means we're close to the road for some reason.
Like the
Yeah.
wire cable.
Yeah, like it's a cable. Why would there be over here? But it's in
Yeah,
the
they
ground.
could have had some sort of a sensor out here.
Yeah, but where would it go? It's silly.
So you guys go on.
No.
Thank you.
Yeah, it feels like it stopped now.
Yeah.
It's just the wind hitting the leaves.